Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Meal Shakes is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways for busy individuals to manage their weight, offering a quick and nutritionally balanced alternative to traditional meals. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you choose the one that will actually help you shed those extra pounds without compromising on taste or essential nutrients, setting you up for success on your weight loss journey? Number 5. Garden of Life Raw Organic Chocolate Meal Replacement Shake. Why settle for a snack when you can have a complete meal? Our all-in-one shakes provide 20 g of plant-based protein and 6 g of fiber, keeping you satisfied with only 150 calories per serving. Say goodbye to chalky textures. This plant protein powder is incredibly smooth and comes in a delicious chocolate flavor. Enjoy it mixed with water or blended into your favorite smoothies. Experience great texture and easy mixing with our protein powder. It combines organic pea protein with whole food vitamins and minerals, offering essential nutrients while being low in net carbs and sugar-free. Crafted at low temperatures, this lactose-free powder includes beneficial enzymes like lipase, lactase, and papain, along with live probiotics for optimal digestion and absorption. Our organic vegan protein powder meets an extraordinary standard, backed by certifications like USDA Organic, Non-GMO Project Verified, Vegan, Kosher, and NSF Certified Gluten-Free. What we like? If you prioritize organic and whole food ingredients, this is the shake for you. It's packed with probiotics and enzymes for optimal digestion, making it a great choice for those who want a truly nourishing meal replacement. Consider this if you're looking for a clean, plant-based option that supports gut health. What people say. This meal replacement shake is a great option for those looking to manage their weight. It's packed with essential nutrients and provides a satisfying meal replacement. I love the taste and texture of this shake. It's smooth, creamy, and doesn't have that chalky aftertaste that some other shakes have. It keeps me full for hours, which helps me avoid unhealthy snacking. The convenience of this shake is a game changer. I can easily prepare it in minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or when I'm on the go. It's a healthy and quick way to get a balanced meal. Number 4. Premier Protein Vanilla Shake. Fuel your body with 30 grams of protein and no added sugar. It's the perfect way to power through your day. Enjoy a delicious and portable shake anytime, anywhere. It's ready when you are, fitting perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Indulge in creamy, delightful flavors like vanilla. Sweeten your day and savor the moments that matter. Packed with 24 essential vitamins and minerals, every sip supports your well-being. It's a boost of goodness for your daily routine. Join millions who trust this brand for convenient nutrition. It seamlessly supports your lifestyle and daily goals. What we like? For those seeking a convenient, high-protein option with no added sugar, this shake is a top contender. It's ready to drink and packed with essential vitamins and minerals to support your daily routine. If you need a quick, reliable boost that fits a busy lifestyle, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Each bottle packs a solid amount of protein and keeps me full for hours, whether I'm using it as a breakfast replacement, post-workout drink, or afternoon snack. I also appreciate that it's low in sugar and doesn't have that chalky or gritty texture some protein shakes do. The vanilla is excellent. High protein, balanced carbs. Taste excellent. My favorite compared to powdered being difficult when my comprehension is poor. Meal ready at hand. The texture is smooth and creamy. I pay attention to that with protein drinks since some can feel gritty. This one goes down easily and does not leave a heavy feeling. I also do not get a strong aftertaste. Number 3. Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shake Vanilla. Fuel your day with this delicious vanilla-flavored keto shake powder. It's rich in protein and MCT oil to support your energy, focus, and metabolism. This shake is perfect as a keto meal replacement or post-workout protein shake. It's designed for low-carb lifestyles and effective weight management. It helps support your skin and overall health with hydrolyzed collagen. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals tailored for keto and paleo diets. Enjoy a creamy, satisfying low-carb shake that's quick to make and easy to digest. Just mix and go for convenient nutrition. This trusted formula contains 14 servings per container and is gluten-free. It's designed for keto dieters, athletes, and anyone seeking a smart nutritional upgrade. What we like? If you're following a ketogenic or paleo diet, this shake is designed with you in mind. It's rich in MCTs for energy and focus, and includes collagen to support skin health. Choose this if you need a meal replacement that aligns with your low-carb goals and offers added benefits for your skin and metabolism. What people say. This is a great meal replacement shake that tastes good and is filling. I love this shake. It's a convenient way to get a healthy meal on the go. This shake has helped me lose weight and feel more energized. Number 2. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Tired of bland vegan meal replacements? Discover our creamy and delicious chocolate protein powder. It's a nutritious meal that tastes like a smoothie, perfect for any time of day. This isn't just protein, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with 54 essential superfoods to fuel your body. Get a substantial 21 grams of plant-based protein in every serving. It's the clean fuel your muscles need. Support your digestive health with 1.5 billion CFU of probiotics. Feel good from the inside out. Enjoy a satisfying meal without the sugar or carbs. It's keto-friendly and perfect for your low-carb diet. We believe in clean ingredients. That's why it's dairy-free, GMO-free, and contains no added sugar. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a post-workout boost, or a healthy snack, it's your perfect solution. Enjoy 15 servings of pure goodness. What we like. This option is perfect if you're looking for a comprehensive vegan meal replacement packed with nutrients. With 54 superfoods and probiotics, it offers a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. If you desire a delicious, plant-based shake that covers all your nutritional bases and is keto-friendly, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. This shake is a great meal replacement option. It keeps me full for hours and has helped me lose weight effectively. I love the taste of this shake. It's not too sweet and mixes really well with water or milk. It's a convenient way to get a nutritious meal on the go. Number 1. Slimquick Pure 3X Extra Strength Mixed Berry Drink Mix. Are you looking to achieve your weight goals? This is the only supplement designed for women to help them get back in shape. It supports your metabolism and helps you feel full for longer. It assists women in getting in shape in 6 different ways. It helps boost your metabolism, keeps you feeling full, and increases energy levels. It also aids in water loss, supports hormone regulation, and helps reduce stress. Our exclusive green tea extract allows for 3 times the absorption of beneficial catechins. These catechins play a significant role in breaking down fat effectively. We've created the purest formula using natural ingredients. It contains beneficial components like antioxidants, calcium, vitamin D, and our exclusive aloe pure green tea. Simply substitute your morning juice with this delicious drink mix. Sip it throughout the day for an effective and tasty way to lose those excess pounds. Plus, it's sugar-free. What we like. This is the ideal choice if you're a woman looking for a supplement specifically designed to support your weight goals. It aids metabolism, helps you feel full longer, and offers a unique blend of ingredients to support hormone balance and energy. If you need a targeted approach to weight management with added benefits for women's health, consider this option. What people say. This meal replacement shake is a great option for weight loss, as it provides a balanced nutritional profile to keep you full and satisfied. The shake is easy to prepare and can be mixed with water or milk for a quick and convenient meal replacement. It contains essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and well-being while on a weight loss journey. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.